Let us draw the graph. This circle is y square plus z square equals to 2, and this is y axis and this z axis. Now in the question it is given y is -1, this line is y equals to 1, and similarly this line is y equals to -1. Now we have to find the volume surrounded by these two lines and this curve, as well as here in the question you see z equals to 2. So z equals to 2 will be outside. This line is z equals to 2. So we have to find the volume surrounded by this line, this line, this line, this line and this curve. So the area is this shaded area, and we have to take the height. Here you see -1 to 1. X-axis will be perpendicular to this plane in this way. So we have to go at a height of +1 and at a depth of -1. So the integration will be triple integration. We use triple integration for volume dx, dy, dz. Here you see z. For z we take this line. For this is the equation for z. Here we can find z for lower limit. Z will be 2 minus y square over root. This is the lower limit, and z and the limit from this point, from a point on this curve, you have to go to this line. This line is z equals to 2. So we have put the limit for z. Now for y, here will be z. Now for y, you see that y is -1 to 1, -1 to 1, and x in the question you see -1 to 1, -1 to 1. You see that in this dy dz and this lower limit, anywhere you are not seeing x. So integration of dx with limit -1 and 1 will be 2, and thereafter it remains -1, 1, and integration of dz will be z, and putting the limits will be 2 minus y square over root. This comes when you consider this limit with dz, then you will get this thing, and dx and this dx -1 to 1 will give you 2. Now it remains only dy. If you go for this, here you see that 2 a constant, so here will be 8. Integration of 2 dy with this limit will be 8, and thereafter 2, here is 2, 2, and if you change the limit, because y square is an even function, so you can change. So this will give you 0 to 1, and for this change you have to write 2, and 1, 2 is already here, so here will be 4, and inside will be 2 minus y square over root dy. Now it is easy. You can assume y equals to root 2 sin theta. Then the integration, this integration 0 to 1, 2 minus y square over root dy will be 0 to 1, 2 cos square theta d theta. Thereafter 0 to pi by 4. If you change the limit, here will be pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. I have calculated. You can calculate this very easy, and you will get pi by 4 plus half, and this value you have to put here. So the answer will be, integration will be, answer not an integration will be 8 minus 4 into this thing pi by 4 plus half, and from here you will get 2, 4 half to 6 minus pi. In the question, integration is given alpha minus pi, so this equals alpha minus pi according to question. So alpha becomes 6, value of alpha becomes 6. So here in the blank space you have to write 6.